everybody, it's ScoopGirl, and today we are going to be going over a product I bought on Amazon. It's only one product. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to do any hauls by any means. If I ever get a sponsor from Amazon, I totally would do a haul, but I can't. Anyway, I wanted to get some lighting, like, kind of right in here, because it's very dark around my face and everything, and I don't really have any light here. I have one behind me, and I have one way over there. I do have one on the floor, but it's not plugged in. And eventually I wanted to invest in a ring light, but today I don't have the money for a ring light, unfortunately. So yeah, my goal in the long run is to get a ring light. Anyway, this is the package in packaging. Found it in my mailbox today. I wasn't sure how big it was. It said it was like 10.8 foot long. So, and it had a lot of good reviews. So we are going to test it out one at a time. I thought I might do a lot of these on what I buy on Amazon, because I do use a lot of Amazon Prime. And I like Amazon because I get the 2-day shipping. Anyway, this is the box. Voila. I'm hoping this will work on my monitor. It's a makeup mirror LED light kit. Now, I do use makeup. I don't use a lot of makeup. I didn't really want to use it for makeup. But if I had to, I could. I had asked for another a light mirror makeup thing for my birthday coming up. And these are the instructions. Apparently I will need scissors. You see that? I mean, we gotta cut them apart apparently. I hope we can do that. Okay. Get the styrofoam out. Throw that over there. Okay, these are a lot smaller than I thought, so these might work for what I want to do. I'm hoping. And we got this little thing or something. We're gonna see if this all works. These are the LEDs. And there are 3-pack. Oh, they all already have the adhesive on them. That's great. I don't need to add any glue or anything. But yeah, okay. Alright, I like this. I think I'm already gonna like this. Alright, we got this, and we will need to cut them, because if you see on the inside flap, they're like not, you can't peel them apart, which that would be a nice tip for future endeavors. To have it. Oh, okay, I see where we gotta connect the wire here on the outlet. So we gotta do. I don't think it really matters what one. As long as I can get them both in the holes. Alright. I'm hoping I did that right. Nope, I did not. Alright. I'm gonna read this. Plus and negative. Okay, white is negative and the red one is positive. Okay. I get that now. Alright. I'm getting it in. Sorry for the camera angle. Alright, I got it on. I'm hoping it'll stay on. Alright, now we gotta cut these babies. Cut them up. Without cutting the light. I don't want to cut the light. Last thing I want to do is cut the light. Alright. One. Okay, that's really sticky. Ooh, I don't want to cut the cord. There we go. One. La-di-da-di-da. Cut. Let me get it. me and panicking. Hey, let me have it. Let go of the stickiness. And you want to plug you in. Urgh. Ow. I'm trying not to cut myself or the wire. That one. These are not going to be even. I do have good cutting skills, but these are a little tricky. And they will not be with, don't cut the wire. Okay. I missed one. Ah, alright. Cut. Hey, no. Let go of the skizzers. Yay. I don't know why they don't already have these pre-cut, but they don't. So, I may speed this up a little bit. Just so it's a shorter video. And you don't have to hear me rambling. Unless you want to hear me rambling, you can let me know in the comments down below if you like to hear me ramble. Okay. Moving the string. And... It's going. We're almost there. This might be too big for my monitor, but I don't care. More light, the better. And then I'm gonna be making soup. I'm gonna be making potato soup tonight. That'll be my dinner. And tomorrow night, I'm going to a movie after work. Alright, with the girls, we were going to do it tonight. And then, my one friend is a full-time nanny. So we couldn't do that tonight. We didn't know how soon she'd be done working. Alright, come on. 4 more, guys! 4 more! Can we get it? Without cutting the wire. Alright. Ow, ow, ow. And then voila! We got the cord. And we got another end to the cord here, which is for the box that we got here. I'm gonna open it up, take it out, roll that back down. And this is the cord that it comes with, the little outlet. Well, not really little, it's pretty big. This is the control switch. And this is where I am confused. Alright, we're gonna connect these two like so. I have no idea. I'm winging it. I'm winging it, people. Taking this off. You might not hear me for a second because I'm going to go under the computer for a second. But we're plugging it in. Okay, I have it plugged in. Okay. Nothing so far. We got step 1. Step 2. If one of this 9.8 foot LED light is long enough for your monitor or mirror, then please note, keep separate for this positive pole and negative pole. Okay, I did. Of course, there's nothing on the inside of this. Alright, what did I do wrong? Alright, the red is positive. Okay, I did that. They're in. I got it! We got it working! Wow, these are like white, bright. Okay. Thank God I don't need to cut the other, or plug in the other part. Okay. Time to stick on the, if I can get it. I need to, alright, you might not hear me for a minute, okay? Sorry. We're rearranging chords, moving things around, and I gotta take off the, take off the sticky tab. 1. Very sticky, which is good. Alright, I'm gonna test it. Alright. Going under. Sorry guys, you probably won't hear me for a minute. Sorry. I gotta get under the table, desk. Be gentle here. Gentle. Gentle, gentle. Okay. Alright, hey guys, I got it back on. I got the setup done. I mean, this is with them on. Okay? Does it look better? Do I seem brighter? Do I seem glowy? This is the instruction manual, and it's very, I mean, it looks like a book, but it's not even a book. I want to look it up because my monitor is normally up there, and I moved it down here, just so I can show you what it looks like on the screen. I'm not using my camera right now, I'm using my webcam, and, yeah, this is, like, all the instructions it gives you. There is a little bit of a short in it on the end, so you want to have it to where the height is okay, so that way the cord won't keep moving around, because you can probably will notice it when I move it around. It might try to turn off and on, just because of the way the outlet is. What I would suggest that they would do for this product is get a, have them all connected, like have the cord connected, have the outlet connected, that way you don't need to like connect, like have 3 outlets, I mean, to plug it in. That is one of my issues on it that I would probably complain about, but otherwise, I mean, it is a good, like, all this could be like one outlet, like all this, like all, you know, it can be connected to that directly, it does not need to be plugged in, but that is how they made it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's turned off. And when it all the way turned on. And all the way turned off. And Am I in the dark? Am I in the dark yet? Yeah? Yeah? And all the way in. All the way on. Oh, so much brighter. I think I need one for my TV too. Anyway. I can't remember what these were actually called. They were, okay. Makeup Mirror LED Kit is what they are called. I will have the link in the description down below, for the Amazon purchase. If you ever want to get, a cheap ring light or a cheap light for your monitor, I recommend these highly, because, you know, your face is all white. And if you ever want to do projects on your desk, it will light up your desk immensely, like, a lot. Again, the only thing I have complaints about is the adhesive on it is very strong, and it comes off really okay, but just be careful on what you stick it to. And the outlet, like if I move it, you might see it glitch a little bit with the lighting. Like, ooh. You might have a little, like, strobe light going on there. So just bear that in mind when you do purchase it. Otherwise, I give it a 8 out of 10. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Because I wanted something cheap, which is around, I think, $18, but I did the one-day shipping on it, and it made it $23. So, you can buy $23 lights for your computer, or a $200 ring light. You know, that's what I'm getting at. So, until I can afford a ring light. Anyway, I hope you like this video on this product. I'll have all the information down below on it. And it, again, is a makeup mirror kit for if you have a mirror. I'm not using it for a mirror. I'm using it for my computer. So, you can use it for anything, really. So, I hope you guys all have a lovely day. Like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell for more of the notifications. And if you want me to do another review on Amazon, let me know in the comment down below. Bye-bye!